Speaking of the DMK, let's talk about the latest visuals that have come in from Tamil Nadu. Udayanidhi Stalin, in fact, was also seen meeting the Hooch tragedy victims in the hospital. Earlier, in fact, TPS had also met some of these victims who are undergoing treatment. But this is MK Stalin, the Chief Minister's son and Minister in Tamil Nadu, Udayanidhi Stalin, who's currently meeting some of the victims of the Hooch tragedy. Let me go across to Purnima, joining us live with more details. Lot of similarities in the manner in which the big Hooch tragedy that's come to light from Tamil Nadu has so many similarities and perhaps a repeat of what happened just last year, Purnima. Questions being asked of the DMK. The DMK says, look, we've taken action against some of the officials by sacking them, by stripping them of their post. But what's going on? These visuals coming in of Udayanidhi Stalin meeting some of the victims. Okay, Purnima, can you hear me? I believe she's trying to pick up live reactions coming in. Yes, go ahead.
Well, we are outside the Kallakurichi Government Hospital. Just as you can see, VK Sasikala, the ousted AIADMK leader, just met the families of those who've been hospitalized. And after this, Annamalai, the BJP state president, will also arrive shortly. You can see here VK Sasikala, Annamalai, the AIADMK, Edapadi had visited earlier today. All of them saying that the DMK has not learnt its lessons. Last year, there were two Hooch tragedies that took place where 22 people died. A year later, another Hooch tragedy reported yet again here in Kallakurichi, and at least 38 have died. What VK Sasikala says is that there are 5 more people who are seriously injured, who are in critical condition, who are undergoing treatment here. There are 4 hospitals where patients have been shifted to because of the number of people who were rushed to the hospital. At least 60 more people have been hospitalized. So all of them here questioning the lapses, and also says that sale and production of illicit liquor would not have taken place without the knowledge of the local administration. That's the accusation that's coming in from the opposition. It says that prompt action was taken where the SP of Kallakurichi was suspended. The collector also was in fact transferred, and 4 of them have been arrested in this case, and says that all of them who are responsible for the sale and production of illicit liquor, action will be taken against them is the promise of the DMK, but no lessons learnt is what the opposition says in response.
Okay, all right. So currently, we're seeing the top political faces of Tamil Nadu make their way to the hospital where several victims of the Hooch tragedy are currently undergoing treatment. Those who need medical attention are being treated. Remember, at least 38 people have died, and the BJP says this number could go up given the number of people who've been admitted and are undergoing treatment as we speak. But the presence of methanol is what medical experts suggest has led to poisoning that has ended up taking the lives of 38 people. A lot of other reactions coming in, like Purnima just highlighted. The question being asked by the opposition is that this could not have happened without the involvement of some of the local officials.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.